Discuss the second problem of today's weekly Leetcode contest. The problem was we are given two string s and t, and in one step we can append any character to either of the string. We need to find the minimum number of steps such that after performing these operations, s and t are anagram of each other. So what is anagram? Anagrams are basically two strings which have in which every character have equal frequencies. So for example, A, B, C, D and A, B, C, D are anagram of each other. Similarly, A, B, C, D and D, B, C, A are also anagram of each other because every character that appears here as well. And the frequency of those characters are also similar. So for example, A, B, C, D is not an anagram of any of these. Reason being, despite A, B, C, D occurs here as well, but A occurs twice here, and in every other things A doesn't occur. A occurs once only. So hope anagram definition is clear. So let's move with the problem, how to solve it. So in one step, we can append any character to S and T. So, and we need to find out whether like how many minimum steps are required to make these anagrams. So as discussed, anagrams are string in which every characters have equal frequency in both the strings. So let's say L occurs here, but L doesn't occurs here. It means L has to occur here no matter what to become this string anagram of this string. So if that is clear, I hope you get the sense that every character that is not appearing here, we need to make that character appear here by just performing one operation. And similarly, every character that appears here, which doesn't appears here, we need to make one operation, basically append that character in the first string. So the solution would be find whatever character is not common in these and these, and if there is some character which appears here but doesn't appear here, append it, and if there is any character which appears here but doesn't appears here, then append it in the first string. So to solve this, I think we only need two frequency array. So let's make f of s is frequency of s, uh, and it is given that it only contains lowercase English letters. So there are 26 English letters, so it will not have size greater than 26. Similarly, let's say f of t, which is frequency of t, again 26. We will iterate over every character of s, and we will increment its frequency. Similarly, we will iterate over every character of t, and we will increment its frequency in ft. Now, once this is done, what we have to find out, basically characters which appeared here but doesn't appear here, or character which appears here but doesn't appear here. So to do that, we just need to subtract these two frequencies. So for example, let's say frequency of A in first string is 5 and in second string it is 9. So it means in first string A appears 5 times, in second string A appears 9 times. So what we have to do is basically append A 4 times in the first string, because we want A frequency in both the string equal. Now if let's say A appears, uh, let's say B appears 9 times in first string and 5 times in second string. So in this case, we need to basically append 4 times B in the second string because it appears 9 times in the first string. So here we will have 4 operations and here we will have four operations. So if you understand this, so basically we just need to subtract these two frequencies and take their absolute values and return the answer.